exploring fiddleheads.
Elusive, the elusive fiddleheads. Fiddleheads? I mean fiddleheads. My goodness, look at this. There's one right there, hiding. Hi! I'm Sarah, and welcome to this episode. We're up here in Maine at our friend's house, and we're gonna, look around for some fiddleheads that we can actually prepare in the kitchen and eat. So come with us hunting. If you find a fiddlehead that is not the same, it's probably a bracken. A little bit of confusion in my mind about what a bracken is compared to a fiddlehead, but I'm pretty sure they're the same thing. So if you know different, please tell us in the comments below. But I believe there is a chemical in them that can make you sick or kill you. So there's a certain way to prepare them. We'll stay tuned. We'll show you. Here in Maine, they do something called the Fiddlehead Festival. And it's basically, big party. Everybody gathers a bunch of fiddleheads and they have a big cookout, pretty much. It's just the gist of it anyway. But this is the best time of year to come to Maine, or if you already live here, is early May, and they start popping out in the early springtime. Right now we're just in the middle of the forest right here, and there's a creek right over this way. It runs along here. You can see it right there. It's pretty cool. Beautiful forests up here in Maine. They've got lots of fir trees and cedar trees. Really neat.
Come picking fiddleheads with us. Let's walk across the bridge.
Whoa. Very soggy over here. It's hard to tell, but it's very soggy. I'm in the woods next to a creek and everything. You see the creek right there. Yep.
Let me just say, I am a complete newbie to this whole fiddlehead thing, and my friend wasn't even sure that these were indeed ostrich ferns. So, you know that old saying, better safe than sorry? Well, this time around we decided to play it safe because we weren't 100% sure that these were actually ostrich fern. So now next year I come around, I'll be able to tell which ones are and which ones aren't. But this is an ostrich fern crown. This is not an edible fern. This, however, is an ostrich fern. You can see how the fiddleheads are all pointed towards the center, and they're bigger, thicker stalks than the others. They also have a paper-like substance around the actual curl, and you can see the shape of the stalk is a U shape. Technically, if they're 4 inches or less in height, you can take them, but I would rather just get them when they're shorter so that we can be safe. So I'm going to take just one from this plant, and that way the plant will still grow.
Okay, they're everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. You see all those? There's a lot. There too. Look at them all popping up. You see them? You can see them from this angle a lot better. See, look at that. Oh my goodness.
4 days later.
We are going to venture into the forest a little bit further and see what else we can find closer to the stream that's fiddleheads. Let's see. Nothing here. Not yet. Oh, but look at these guys. Check it out. These guys have already kind of come up already. Look at that. See, this is when it's already come up. It's already way taller than it had been just a few days ago. This is insane. We saw these just a few days ago. They were like here. So now it's all the way up here.
I think these are actually bracken, not ostrich fern. Completely different species, but still pretty cool looking.
Oh, look at them all. Look at them all. That's amazing. Wow. Look at them all. That's a lot. Okay, now we come to a creek with a really awesome bridge that somebody made. I'm in love with this creek personally, but that's just me. Okay. This is probably the best place to find fiddleheads, is a place next to a creek. Not right next to all the cars you could hear in the background, obviously, but
Let's see what we can find. Keep going.
oh, this is perfect. Look at this smorgasbord. But wait,
The close-ups. The close-ups. The close-ups.
this is too big. Look at how huge this is, and it's almost ready to kind of uncurl. It's too big and too tall. If it gets above here, you really don't want to take it. So, and look at this guy. This is leftover from last year, it looks like. What a neat fern. Aha! Here's one right here. You go down to the base here. There's one right there. Perfect. Some more right here. Look at these. You don't want to get. Look how big that is compared to my hand. See? That's cool though. Look at the pattern on that. That is so cool. And see the brown stuff? That's the sheathing, and it kind of just becomes fluff, comes off it as it unfurls into the leaf structure. We're gonna get these guys from the middle here without harming the rest of the plant. This one's perfect right here. Oh, it curled up. That's interesting. So if you take this in your hand, you just kind of rub it a bit, the stuff just naturally comes off. And you can do it inside a bowl if you want to, but I'm just doing this for presentation purposes so you can see. There you go. Oh. There you go. One who hasn't really come up yet. So this is perfect. Look at this. See? Oh. See, it's just very, very smooth, very silky. It falls right off and runs away from you. Another one. Perfection. And here we are for another one here. I love all this. I'm liking this lichen all around here. Pretty cool. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can find. Oh, here's a couple down in here. Oh, check this out. Look. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty neat. I know I'm making a nice mess, aren't I? That's what we're really after, though. See this guy right here? Pops right off. Here we go. See this? Oh, you definitely can't eat that. Look at that. Or I could be wrong that you can eat it, but I don't want to risk it for this video just to test it out. It's cool how it just uncurls. Really neat how God designed this plant. It's just kind of very an artistic way that the plant comes to life. Look at that. I just feel so fascinated by it. It's kind of reminds me of a conch shell. Anyway, if you look down here, see this guy right here? This is a fiddlehead. There you go. Perfect.
So these next two clips are not ostrich ferns. They are bracken, probably. Just my guess, but this is how we pick them anyway.
And since this is private property, we're not endangering public lands where everybody and his brother's gonna do the same thing and deplete the population of plants. So, besides, there's tons of them here. I mean, look at this. You see it? It's covered. Wait till these unfurl and they're huge. But there's tons here. Tons. So, the forest is not gonna miss a couple of them gone while we're here visiting. All right, here we go. Here's another one. Check it out.
Stay tuned for another episode where we'll do some cooking with these and show you how to prepare them properly. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you like what you see, let us know. Thanks for coming along with us and have a blessed day.